In this video, I will show you step by step how you can save your file in Canva. This will be an easy and friendly tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do, this is my file. As you can see, I made this design and I want to save this file in Canva to my from Canva to my laptop. Okay, so what you need to do, click over here on share, scroll down, click on download. Okay, and you need to click over here on file type and choose which file you want. So for if you want png, you can choose this one. If you want to download this file as pdf, you can choose pdf, pdf print, sfg, mp for video. So for me, I'm gonna choose pdf. So click on PDF file and click over here on download, and this file will be download to your laptop. Okay, it's super easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.